Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here. My name is Gaming Doe and today it is a really special occasion. So because of that I dressed all in yellow. My pants and because of that I have everything yellow because why not dress up in yellow when there's a cool occasion? Mental problems. But anyways, guys, today I will be announcing the Lego fidget spinner giveaway, and the winners to that are. Wait, you need to hear this because when you're gonna hear this, you're gonna explode from, I don't know, from excitement. I have them ready right here. Good. These two fidget spinners go to. Let's take the drum roll. Guess who? Asher Malik. That is the first one. Congratulations, Asher Malik. This fidget spinner, the cyborg one, goes to you. Now, you are just my biggest fan. Thank you for subscribing. He likes every one of my videos. He just can't wait till the next one. Like every day he comes up to me and asks me, when's the next video? When's the next video? When are you gonna post a video? You need to post a video, and that's why I am giving that fidget spinner to him, because he deserves it. And the second person that is getting this pure gray double-sided fidget spinner is Jaden McCain. Now, congratulations, you won this fidget spinner because you have been a good friend all along, and you like and subscribe on, you like every one of my videos. You watch them and you comment. So yeah, that's another fidget spinner for another person.
Okay.
And by the way, guys, go check him out. Link right there. So yeah, go check him out. Wait, if it's not here, then it'll be here. Whichever side, you'll see this white card. That'll just go up and just say subscribe to him at the end of the video. On the outro, you'll see him too. So yeah, without further ado, let's close out the video. And remember, another vlog is coming this week. So yeah, let's go. See you guys in the next one.